In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a video background in CapCut using the built-in auto removal feature. This is a super useful trick if you want to isolate yourself from the background, create cleaner edits, or make your videos look more professional. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just editing for fun, this method can save you a lot of time. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing tips. All right. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and start a new project if you haven't already. Once you're in the editor, import the video you want to work with. You can usually do this by clicking the Import option or simply dragging and dropping your media into the project panel. After the video is imported, drag it down to the timeline so you can begin editing it. This is important because CapCut's editing tools only become available once the clip is placed on the timeline. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. When the clip is highlighted, look to the top right corner of the editor and make sure the video tab is selected. CapCut organizes its tools into different sections, so choosing the correct tab is the key to finding the background removal option quickly. With the video tab open, scroll through the available tools until you find Remove BG. This is the section CapCut uses for background removal features. Once you're inside that menu, you should see an option labeled Auto Removal. Go ahead and check the box next to Auto Removal. CapCut will then analyze your clip and automatically detect the subject in the video, removing the background behind it. Depending on the length of your video and the strength of your computer, this process may take a moment. Give CapCut a few seconds to complete the analysis. When it's done, you should see your subject separated from the background, which means the background has been removed successfully. If the result looks good, you can continue editing by adding a new background, placing your subject over another scene, or leaving it transparent if your project supports that. This is where CapCut becomes really powerful, because once the background is removed, you can create all kinds of creative effects, overlays, and professional-looking compositions. If the edge detection isn't perfect, you may want to try a different clip with better lighting and clearer subject separation. For best results, use footage where the subject stands out from the background, because that helps CapCut detect the edges more accurately. Simple backgrounds, good lighting, and steady camera shots usually give you the cleanest removal. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove a video background in CapCut using the Auto Removal tool. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and one of the easiest ways to improve the look of your videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.